Our democracy thrives when constitutional limits are respected and upheld by all citizens. It is within the framework of our founding principles that every voice, regardless of age, background, or status, should be heard and valued. These principles serve as the foundation for justice, equality, and freedom in our nation. As young citizens, we have the power and responsibility to actively uphold these ideals, ensuring that our society remains fair, inclusive, and just for everyone. Sarapenda mashoko buda tokana namata kukweza panguwa inoye moyanyorera tsamba kuzvigananda vanokwanzi they want to tear up the constitution ndobva subscribe like watomba bell icon tienda paini pakabudanyira chiti by staying informed by our rights, laws, and the workings for government, we equip ourselves to make meaningful contributions and hold leaders accountable. Speaking out against injustice, advocating for positive change, and standing up for the Constitution are vital actions that help keep our democracy alive and strong. Our active participation today is what shapes the future of our nation. It's how we protect the rights and freedoms that define us as a people. Let us remember that democracy is not just a system of rules, but living, breathing process that requires our continuous engagement. Each of us has a role to play in defending our constitution, whether through voting, community involvement, or simply raising awareness among our peers. When we stand together in commitment to these principles, we ensure that the rights enriched in our constitution are preserved for future generations. So let's dedicate ourselves to safeguarding our democracy by being vigilant, informed, and courageous. Our actions today will determine the strength and resilience of our nation tomorrow. Together, we can build a future where justice prevails, voices are heard, and the rights granted by our Constitution are protected for generations to come. Thomas Kwatoka Panamate kuweza chiti aiwa, as my citizens, let us defend our Constitution. Let us defend our rights. Nyangwe zvigananda zvakauya zvida kutear up the constitution, let us rise. Noda kuti ma-actions atiri kuita nhasi achadetermine our future. If we remain silent, we shall affect in the future. Ngotidzai mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.